let's look at some other examples where we don't know what the function is. So we've just been told that this is fx. Okay? They've then asked us to sketch the graph of f of x plus 1. Now what do we know happens when we have a plus 1 inside a bracket? It's a horizontal shift of left 1. Oops. So in other words, we've got a translation -1, 0. So you may or may not notice that here in the answer section, this diagram here is exactly the same as our original. However, it's just shifted left 1 unit. So where the original started here at 0, 0, our new function starts here at -1, 0. Yeah, so the answers are here, and you just have to look at them and go, oh. So B, okay, so B, we've got fx minus 2. What does the minus 2 tell us? It's shift down 2 units. So you can see here that we've shifted down 2 units. So everything in the x direction is the same. It's just 2 units lower than the original. Okay, so this one is shifted just down 2 units. The next one, the negative is inside the bracket, so we know it's a reflection in the y-axis. So you can see, no, when the negative is inside the bracket, it's a reflection in the y. Then D is outside the bracket, so it's a reflection in the x-axis, which we can see here. And then the final one is a big fat 2 in the front, so that's elongated it in the y direction, or stretched it in the y direction. So you can see your x coordinates don't change, but these values here have done. Okay, so where it went through the coordinate 2, 1, before, oh sorry, 2, 2 before, it's going through the coordinate 2, 4. So it's a vertical stretch, scale factor 2. Okay? Now this next page is just a nice summary sheet for you. Well, I hope it's a nice summary sheet for you. So it just tells you what does it actually do to the graph. So this first column is quite nice. It just tells you how it shifts it. So it moves up, moves down, moves left, moves right. But then equally we're saying, okay, well what happens to the x coordinate in that situation, and what happens to the y coordinate? Because sometimes they may say on your original function, if you had the coordinate 1, 7, how would that coordinate be affected in your new one? Okay, so if it had been fx plus 3, then we know that the y coordinate would now be 10. Okay, if it was 1, 7 originally. Okay, so again, that's just a summary sheet for you to have a little look at. Okay. Another summary sheet, I like these because I just snipped them out of the textbooks, but they're different textbooks because some of them are just telling you slightly different things. Just have a little look and see, just read through that. But everything is what we've covered. These are just summarizing things. And now there's some questions for you to have a go at. Okay, so I will leave you to do those. The answers are on the next page.